Sanjimole, happy birthday to you. God bless you.
Hello Sandhya, happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ സന്ധ്യ. ദീർഘായുസോടുകൂടി ഇരിക്കട്ടെ. ആയുരാരോഗ്യ സൗഖ്യങ്ങൾ നേരുന്നു.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ സന്ധ്യ.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ സന്ധ്യ. എല്ലാവിധ സന്തോഷവും സമാധാനവും ഒക്കെ ഇനിയുള്ള ജീവിതത്തിലും ഉണ്ടാവട്ടെ. ദൈവം നന്നായി അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ. സന്തോഷമായിരിക്കട്ടെ.
So I have to be telling what I love most about you. Actually, there are so many things. But for starters, let me tell you what I absolutely love about you is that I can pull your leg anytime, anyhow, and still not be returned any of it back. That I really love about you. What I also love about you, it is how wonderful a big sister you make. You're an absolutely wonderful big sister. Mwah! I can't even begin to try to tell you because I can only feel it. So that's all I can do for now. I have only 1 minute. So that's it, Gigi. Mwah! Have a wonderful day.
Many happy returns of the day, my dear.
Hi Sandhya. Surprise. What to say about you? Remember our first meeting on your engagement day? I don't know what was going on in your mind, but I still remember. It's so fresh. I was so excited to meet you. And with all that excitement in my mind that I'm going to get a sister, I had decided in my mind that I won't be a sister-in-law, but a lovely sister. I've always been like your sister, enjoying everything, every moment with you. We have also fought, but small fights, yes, and we have made up. That's all common, but still I have made sure that you also enjoy like what I enjoy, everything. We have roamed around, we have gone to restaurants together, enjoyed good meals, we have enjoyed good movies together, we have gone for shopping together, what not, everything together. That's what keeps us together, make our bond strong. We have had good moments together. I always felt happy when you were happy. I really wish that we're very happy together, be there for each other. I don't know, if I tell more I get very emotional, but still I have always wanted a sister and I got you. Let our bond be very strong, filled with fun, love, and be there for each other forever. This is your birthday. I'm so excited, very happy, and I wish all happiness, fun, good health, and have very beautiful moments in life with your loved ones. Happy birthday. Can't say more. Anyways, I love you. Bye.
Hi Sandhya, wish you a happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day, Sandhya. God bless you, my child. Amen.
Many happy returns of the day, Sandhya. God bless you, my child.
ആരുടെ പറയൂ. ആരുടെ ബർത്ത്ഡേ? എന്താ പറയണ്ടേ? ഹലോ.
Happy birthday, Sandhya. God bless you.
Hello. Happy birthday, Sandhya.
Happy birthday, Sandhya.
Happy birthday, Sandhya.
മോളെ ആയുരാരോഗ്യ സൗഖ്യത്തിന് വേണ്ടി ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാം.
Happy birthday.
Hi Sandhya Chachi, many happy returns of the day to you. I'm very lucky to have a sweet sister like you. Even though we do not talk to each other quite often, but whenever we do, it's very loving and pleasant to hear from you. Pull your legs at times, make fun of you, but you take all that so sportingly and jokingly and play along with us. So it's a good quality that you possess, and I hope you are tolerant to such jokes even going forward. I know the not first, but I've learned quite a lot from you, like words like Vivara Doshi and all. Thanks for teaching me, but I hope you don't teach that to your students ever. But yeah, since childhood till now, I think we have had a lot of memories together, at least for me, like special memories I would name it. Be it my vacation trips or my summer trips to your house in Kerala, or be it in Bangalore. I've always had a lot of fun in childhood or even now, when I always felt like yes, I have somebody in Bangalore, a home kind of a place in Bangalore, and visit you there and have a lot of fun. Thanks for always having me over and always tolerating me. And I hope you have lots and lots of success and prosperity in your life. I hope you get a lot of knowledge and even share that with your students so that they become more smarter than you at least. So once again, a very, very happy
birthday, Sandhya. God bless you with health, happiness and success. Enjoy your day.
സന്ധ്യ മോൾക്ക് പിറന്നാളിന്റെ 1000 ആശംസകൾ. വിഷിംഗ് യു എ ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ വിത്ത് ഗുഡ് ഹെൽത്ത്, prosperity and peaceful life.
Happy birthday. ആയുരാരോഗ്യ സമൃദ്ധി ഉണ്ടാകട്ടെ.
ഒരു കുഞ്ഞനിത്യക്കുട്ടിക്ക് പിറന്നാൾ ആശംസകൾ. ഭഗവാന്റെ എല്ലാ അനുഗ്രഹം ഉണ്ടാവട്ടെ കേട്ടോ.
Yeah, how are you? Okay, if I have to tell why Sandhya is my best friend, it's because of her straightforward nature. Okay, she won't sugarcoat her words, and whatever is there in her heart, she'll just speak. That is the most important quality one should have. That is the main thing which I like in Sandhya. And also the way how you care for me and the concern what you show to me like a family member. That's the thing which I like in you. Telling something about you within 1 minute is very difficult. That's all I can say now. These are the main thing which I like in you. I wish you many more happy returns of today. May God bless you. I really miss you a lot. Love you.
ಜನ್ಮದಿನಸ್ಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಃ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ. ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಥರ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2 years ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅವಳೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಸತಿ ಗಲಾಟೆನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಟ್ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ಅವಳು ಒಂಥರ ಅಕ್ಕ ಹೇಗೆ ತಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೋ ಆ ಥರ ತುಂಬ ಸತಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಏನು ತಪ್ಪು ಏನು ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ಥರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವಳು ಅದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಹರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡೋದೀಗ ಕನ್ನಡ ತುಂಬ ತೊದಲ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೇರಳದ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಳೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹುಡುಕಿಲ್ಲ. 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಳು ಬೇಗ ನನಗೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಹುಡುಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I love you.
Many happy returns of the day, sweet sister. ഭഗവാൻ എല്ലാവിധ ഐശ്വര്യങ്ങളും തരട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കണം. അങ്ങോട്ടുള്ള ലൈഫിലും ഭഗവാൻ കൂടെ ഉണ്ടാവട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ എൻജോയ് യുവർ ഡേ. ഓക്കെ, ബൈ.
Many happy returns of the day.
Hi Sandhya. What to tell about you? There are so many things. I should say you are a amalgamation of all the human emotions. Human emotions, when I say cheerfulness, joyfulness, being jovial, and at the same time also being stupid. I have not seen much people with all the features of the human facets being encapsulated in one personality. You are a combination of everything. When you are joyful, when you are cheerful, you are in the extremes. I have not seen anybody in my household who are as joyful and cheerful and bubbly like you whenever you are in that mood. And sometimes you are sad. Sometimes even that also. Sometimes it is in the extreme. You take distress in that way, but that is short-lived. You cannot stay sad for a longer time, that I have seen, because you are basically a cheerful person. At the same time, when you do your duties, I have seen you put your 200% in that, and I have seen your hard work, a lot of hard work. So all these are appreciable things. I normally don't tell this to you because I know that there's another facet of yours, face of yours, where the moment I appreciate, then you will jump on my head. So I try to put this in control and in modest formats. And there's another facet which is stupidity. Basically, if I have to say, it is a homegrown Palakkad and Nemmara stupidity, which is not only in you but in all the people whom I have known in my household too, who come from Palakkad. They have all the same kind of stupidity, and many times we laugh at it. Many times you become a center stage of humor, and at times I have scolded you and chastised you for that stupidity and tried to correct you also. But beyond all that, Sandhya, I should tell you that I respect you a lot, and the reason why I respect you is I respect all those who come in connection to me. I always feel the people who come and connect with me, who live with me, are not ordinary people. Same way, if you are there with me all these years, that means you are not ordinary. Not that I am something extraordinary, but I firmly believe it's all divine will. It's all divinity that is making people come. And speaking about you, you have greater possibilities in the coming future. There is a huge Pandora's box that can open if you stay disciplined the way I have been telling. And there are higher possibilities and better lifestyles that is awaiting you. I want to see you in a brighter format, from what you are now, in a much brighter format. In fact, you are much ahead than many of the women I have known with respect to being knowledgeable about their work, being committed and sincere in what is being done. At the same time, taking things lightly. See, I have not seen many women of your category in my life as such. So keep up the good things in you and try to eliminate the negativities which everybody has. But I would want to see you more in positive light than that small negativity that you might have. So anyway, there are many years awaiting you with happiness, and there's higher responsibilities, and I would want you to submit yourself to the nature divine, which is the guiding light for you, which will become the guiding light. As you know already, slowly you have come to know what is submitting to the divine, submitting to the nature. I would want to see more of that, because that is when you will open up like a butterfly. Right now, you are a heap of possibilities cocooned inside a cocoon, inside a box. What is there inside you is a big treasure vault. So the moment you start submitting to the divine will, to the nature, it will give you the wings, it will give you the color, everything, and what comes out will be a beautiful butterfly. Okay, so I won't say happy birthday because I don't believe in birthdays, because I believe we are all beyond the trappings of any birth and death. We are all there, even beyond this physical body death and birth. So I don't believe in telling birthdays, but I would wish you great years ahead. Every year, let there be growth, achievements, and more positivity. I would want to see you as a torchlight, showing people the way one need to be, especially the women folk. How to be a woman of substance is what I would want to see you. This is my selfishness. This is my desire, if you want to say. Anyway, thank you for everything that you have been doing for me. and good luck. God bless.